Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Wuben X3 everyday carry flashlight. And it's hard for me to get excited about a flashlight because, let's be honest, most of the flashlights on the market all start looking the same. They're basically a battery with a bulb and a button. And you push the button and the light comes on. And maybe it's really bright, maybe it's not so bright, maybe it's a floodlight or a spotlight. You hit it a couple of times and it changes the way it throws that light in front of you. And they do a good job of illuminating the area, but there's not a lot of innovation going on in that space. Not with Wuben. Wuben's a company that I've been working with for a couple of months, and I'm telling you, these guys are brilliant because they look at a flashlight, as simple as it is, and they think about how they can innovate in that space. And this X3 is a great example of how they've changed the way flashlights are being used, especially everyday carry flashlights. And when I show you some of the features this product has and the way the company's thought about how they can enhance that experience, you're going to be blown away by it just like I was, because we've all been using flashlights since we were little kids. I can remember being 9 years old and having a plastic cylinder with a bulb on the end of it that I slid D-cell batteries into and wandered around the woods and the backyard and had that flashlight exploring the darkness. And they haven't changed a whole lot since then. These guys have changed that market. So this X3 is one of the latest releases from them. It's reasonably priced. It's incredibly bright. It's got both white and red light and a ton of innovative features. Now, I haven't unboxed it yet. Normally I have everything on the table in front of me, but I want to show you how much care they put into not only the packaging, but the way they innovate in the accessories that come with the product. So let me open it up in front of you. To start with, look how cool this box is. They've got their logo on the front. The box opens like this, and the logo stays stood up like that. Pretty cool. So they've got kind of a pivot box. You open it up. First thing you're greeted with is the manual, which explains everything you'll need to know about the flashlight, because there's a single button on here that controls all the functions, but there's an LED display on there that lets you know exactly what you're doing and what mode you're in. Now, the flashlight itself looks a little bit like an owl. It's got two eyes on the top of it, but here's first innovation on this product is, okay, it's a standard flashlight. You push the button, it comes on, you can hold it in front of you, but watch this. You can spin the head. So I can spin it this way. There's a clip on the back that I can clip it to my belt. Now I've got flashlight illuminating the area in front of me, but if I need to spin it, I can spin it again, and I've got a normal flashlight that I can clip onto my hat and sort of have illumination down on the ground. So that's just the first innovation, but man, oh man, is that cool. Then there's an accessory box in here. Now let me pull this out, because normally when you get a flashlight, they include a couple of extra things. They'll probably include a charging cable, maybe something else. I don't know. Let's get in here and see. So I'll open up the box, and I'll tell you, I've already looked at this, so I'm kind of pretending that I haven't seen it. But let me open up what we've got here. First off, you got a charging base. Now you're probably wondering, how do I charge that flashlight? You can charge it in one of two ways. You can plug this into a USB-C charger like I do and leave it on your desk. When you need to charge the light, you stick it in here. It's magnetic, by the way, and it charges the light. And you can also charge it wirelessly with a Qi charger. So if you've got a standard charger you're using with your phone that's wireless, just put this on that stand and it's going to charge the flashlight wirelessly. So that's innovation number two. Okay, let's see what's in here, because this looks like some kind of carry strap. Yeah, it's definitely a carry strap. So you can put this on your hand, clip this on the flashlight, and then you're ready to go. But it's more than that. And again, this is what I'm talking about when a company like Wuben sits down and thinks about what they need to do. Well, where's my charging cable? Normally a flashlight comes with a charging cable. Well, this is your charging cable. If you push these two buttons, guess what pops out? A USB-C to USB-C cable that's flexible. It feels like a regular strap, like a cloth strap, but it's a charging cable. And on the bottom of it, they could have put anything there. It could have just been their logo, which they put on this side. You've got a measuring tape. So if you're out there in the woods and you're working, maybe you're fishing, you caught a big fish, and you want to start bragging about it, lay this down, put the fish next to it, you know exactly how big the fish is. Okay, so I've got a USB-C to USB-C, but what if I want to charge like an Apple product? Boy, that would be great if I had the old Apple adapter. Well, I don't. It's USB-C to USB-C. Because inside the handle, there's a little piece on the side that you can pull out right here. I'm going to try and get it out. And it actually has an Apple adapter on it. So when I pull this out, it converts USB-C to an Apple unit. So if you want to charge your phone, there's your Apple right there. So all you do is take the cable, pop it in here, just like this, put this on your charger and you can charge your Apple product. So, but they didn't need to do that because this is USB-C. So this is what I'm talking about with a company that thinks through the product that they're delivering, because a lot of companies, again, are just building flashlights and it's not that hard. There's a ton of lithium iron phosphate batteries out there that you can put in a standard case. You can get some Cree lights on the front of it, make a really bright light. Wuben's looking at how they build their products from an engineering perspective, both mechanically and electronically, and they're just building innovative products you won't see anywhere else. Now, this is a really small light, but it's got two modes. It's got a red mode, which is great if you're a stargazer and you want to be out in the field looking at stars at night. You don't want a flashlight out there because it sort of takes that night vision away from you. So a red light is what you want to use. This has two levels of red light. You can move it from 1 to 80 lumens. So you've got a really low 1 lumen all the way up to an 80 lumen. And then there's a bright white light on there that 4 stops. You can have it set up at 1 lumen, 50 lumens, 150 lumens, and then there's a turbo mode that has 700 lumens of light. So a tiny little light like this, that's not much bigger than a 9-volt battery, quite honestly, can throw a tremendous amount of light out in front of you. And again, I love this pivoting head. This is just a brilliant move on their part to allow me to have it like this, where I can clip it on my belt and have the light in front of me, or I can spin the head like this, clip it on my hat, and have the light in front of me that way. It just gives you a lot of control. And then the final thing, which is incredibly cool, is the base is magnetic. So if I'm working on my car or I'm changing a tire, I can clip this or snap this to the side of my car, spin the lens down like this, and I'll have light down so I can see exactly what I'm doing. I mean, it really is just an incredibly innovative product. Plus the coolest part is when I spin it down like this, it almost looks like an owl, right? It's got a very cool little owl look there. So anyway, I think it's an incredibly cool product. And I've reviewed a lot of flashlights on the channel. I've, again, a lot of companies contacting me talking about brand new EDCs or everyday carry flashlights. Very few of them, actually, I can count them on one hand, of the companies out there that are innovating the way Wuben's innovating. And this X3 is just one example of how their products are really changing the way you have a carry flashlight with you out in the field. If you're looking for something small and powerful, this is probably the answer for you. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. We just had a big snowstorm outside. I was outside shoveling snow in the dark hours of the evening. I had this clipped to my hat, gave me plenty of illumination where I could see where I was walking. I wasn't slipping on the ice. I just think it's a great product that has a wide applicability for most people. If you're a camper, outdoors person, whatever you're using a flashlight for, this could be the answer for you. And again, the one thing I didn't talk about was the digital display in the front, which shows you exactly the illumination level that the flashlight's at. It'll show you red versus white. So I don't know if you could have done much more in a package that size. And create a product like this. So that's pretty much it for today. Oh, the other thing I didn't mention was it's got an IP65 water rating on it, so you can take it out, get it wet, don't worry about that. I mean, it's really built for that rugged outdoor environment, and I just think it's a great product. So hopefully you found this review helpful. Again, it's the X3 from Wuben, very innovative company. If you're looking for a flashlight, this could fit the bill for you. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.